There's gonna be a lot to cut. It's gonna be a chore. You're not gonna say anything, are you? Yeah, I got a new computer. It was a lot. I'm not gonna say how much it was because it still kind of hurts to think about how much it was, but it was like 10 years in the making. But anyway, so I'll put the specs up on the screen because I don't know what's in this thing. So the motherboard box has everything you could hope for. We want to get like close up on this. This is like unboxing porn. Just slowly. Did that look good? The nice lady at the shop said that was the power cable, and I know it's the power cable because it's got one of those doohickeys, which is fantastic. If I want to turn it on. I have no idea what these cables are for, but I'm sure they're not needed. I have no idea what this is. It kind of looks like a small ass vape. Oh, I know that's the antenna, which I probably won't need, so if anyone needs free antenna, Amazon. Light nighttime reading. There's something from Microsoft. There's more books. Can you see that? It's called an M3 screw. So now you know that. Safety, compliance, and warranty information. So that's something to read while I'm sitting on the toilet. More things that plug into something. More books, again, to read while I'm on the train or something. Another bag, which we'll go into next. Oh, that's for wall mounting something, I believe. I'm not sure. More things that they didn't use. I think that's where a processor would go if I was building this thing from scratch, but I'm not because I would break it. Some more things that look like they come from somewhere, and metal for metal work, I guess. I forgot this bag. Did that look good? Fantastic. And then and more cables. My God. A loose screw. One measly little screw. And we'll shove this over there. We have the big reveal right here. I don't know how I want to do this. So I want to make a clean... Oh. Oh. Not clean. Oh, colors. Right, what's this colorful thing here? Step 1, power. Step 2, Wi-Fi. Step 3 is not needed. So I'm gonna need this. Oh look, it even goes onto the back as well.
There's a QR code there on the back.
Ooh. How are we gonna do this?
Lay it on the side. There you go.
And then what? Just pull?
Yeah.
And hold it?
Yeah. Take the styrofoam out. You cut down the box. Down the side there.
Cool.
Oh.
I feel like I'm not doing the unboxing community justice.
Oh no, everyone's cringing.
That's alright. You know what? It's fine. Cool. Okay.
And it's upright. Yay!
The power button. It doesn't work because it's not plugged in. So come in here. Come closer. I don't know if you can tell because it's black and the lighting in here is not so great. But if my calculations are correct, this is the front. Yeah, no, that's the side.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. But no, so up here, power, restart, two lighty buttony things, USB, a hole, another USB, USB 3, and I can assume that's the reset button.
Hello.
Alright, as we rotate it, ugh, that's the front. That's the front. The buttons are on top. That's the side with nothing on it except a computer light sticker either here or here.
And now fingerprints, but that's
No
okay.
fingerprints, but that's okay. We can clean that. That's the back. Did you see the fans?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a thing on the bottom. What's
Ooh.
that? If you come over this way,
Oh, that requires me to get up.
keep up. You put this here. So you can see there's my new shiny graphics card.
You can't see.
You can't see? You see the nice shiny graphics card? And the power supply's there. And a whole bunch of other stuff is there. And then if you come over this way, there's my old computer.
There's this.
Oh, I wouldn't say.
Yeah, well, we had to, where it doesn't have a HDMI plug-in. Now he's questioning if he has enough HDMI cords.
I have 3. That's alright. Because how many monitors do I have?
2.
Well, there you go.
Yes.
These aren't unscrewing and I don't know why. Alright, where's the plug for that one? Cool. Look, it turned on. Can you go and get the, pull the cord?
This one.
That's the one. Now leave it up. Okay. 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 Oh, god damn it.
It's plugged into the wall.
Yeah, a truck.
Give it back to your dad.
Do you know that this was made in China? Okie dokie. So if we go like this, and then like this, and then we lift it like that. Okay, and then we go around like this.
The look. Somehow smaller.
It said it was going to be smaller.
Oh.
And then we get the this, and we do the this. For far too long. We do this, and then I don't know if it's going to be long enough. Where did that land?
You lost it in the cords, didn't you?
Yes. I don't know if it's going to fit. That's the thing.
Probably won't.
Alright, now hold it.
Okay. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna.
Oh no. I didn't know Sparks the
I did it.
Dragonfly was here. Hooray! Okay, now. Now, ready? Oh, come have a look around here.
Ooh, pretty. Because that's not going to be annoying. I'm kidding. That's nice.
Okay.
Ooh.
And now, hopefully...
And water cooling too. Ooh.
If I go like... Not like that. If I go like... Not like that either. Oh, they're that one. Okay. Cool. Did that screen turn on?
No. It's because you don't have any power.
Oh yeah, right. Can you please flick it on?
And all these?
Yeah.
Oh yep, they turned on.
Which one?
Both.
Both.
Are you in Australia? Are you in Afghanistan? Are you in a land islands?
Hold on. Camera person.
Yes.
We have a bit of a conundrum
Why is that?
because it doesn't want to go in the HDMI port.
Well, because it's not a HDMI one.
Well, then why does it look like a HDMI port? What if I put it up here? Of course, that one works.
So does that mean both screens are on?
Theoretically, yes.
No.
Okay.
Well, maybe.
I don't know what this one connects to, but I guess we're about to find out.
Lights? Oh.
No, hold on. Oh, okay, I think I know. check a look at the microphone for 2 seconds. Did anything come on after I did that?
Yep.
Hooray! Okay, cool. So, is the keyboard lit up?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I don't know why it has 2 holes, but it does now. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the $1 million question. Is everything plugged in correctly? Okay, numlock works, which is amazing. I am in Australia. Which keyboard layout is ours?
English India. Oh, look, Smallville. Remember that?
Okay, you good.
Ew.
Checking for updates. So while it does that, let's come over here.
No.
And we need to say goodbye. It has been a wild ride. You have served me with many good memories.
So, anyone looking for a computer?
Oh! It was touch and go for a minute there. Because it said that it couldn't detect a signal.
Oh.
This is bad. You guys can read that for me. Should I accept? It'll do this a couple of times. Time lapse.
I'm not paid for this. I'm just letting you know it's like almost 10 o'clock at night. Or it probably is 10 o'clock at night.
Yes, but you're the one who said, let's do it.
Well, because you would just keep nagging. Do it.
I would have said, leave it till tomorrow.
Yeah, but
I said leave it till tomorrow. I know you don't believe me, but I did say
I
leave it
think
till
deep
tomorrow.
down, I just wanted to see it.
Right. Well, now you have seen it.
Yeah.
In all of its fanny glory.
Fanny glory.
I don't really want to sign in.
This is our pop wall. Well, you know, a quarter of it. We'll get there eventually.
Restore from my PC backup. Yes, restore from that PC.
Why was it called Atom Laptop 2.0? Oh, wait.
You don't get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Adam's laptop 2.0.
Yeah, I get it.
Because it's my second laptop.
Yeah, I get it. It's funny.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, here we go. Create a pin.
Oh boy. Sensitive information. This is our fan. It's a bit old and yellow from the sun, even though it's never been in the sun. So, you know, it works great. Have to, you know, use it down here because the air quality is a bit shit. Oh look, Spider-Man. Hello. Yeah, he's our little hanging Spider-Man. A little Peter Parker. Hello. That's Spyro over there with the Venom statue. And
10 points if you can name the 2 Spider-Men.
Okay, give you a closer look. Ugh. Okay, that's obviously Peter Parker. That's Miles Morales.
Or Miles Morales.
Morales.
That's a dope statue.
It is.
How many real actors can you name?
Yeah, I don't know, get them all. How many real actors?
And point to them.
Okay, well you got Tom Holland in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Chris Evans.
Mm-hmm.
Captain America.
Mm-hmm.
Anthony Mackie. Not Hawkeye.
Vulture.
No.
No.
Falcon.
Yes.
Yeah, Falcon.
Yeah.
Scarlett Johansson. No.
No.
Elizabeth Olsen.
Yeah. As.
Scarlet Witch.
Mm-hmm.
I know what Bucky's one is.
Sebastian Stan.
Sure. Jeremy Renner
Mm-hmm.
for Hawkeye. Robert Downey Jr. Iron Man. There's Scarlet.
Yeah.
As Widow. Black Widow. Don't know that guy. Oh, Don Cheadle. Vision, can't remember. And
Yeah, fuck, I can't remember Vision's name either.
And Chadwick Boseman
What is Vision's real name?
as Black Panther. What's that, Vision?
What is the name of the actor who plays Vision in the Marvel Cinematic Universe?
Paul Bettany.
And we are back with... This is the fun part. Look at that. I don't want Game Pass. What kind of person has an Xbox?
Yeah.
I was going to say that a game on there is pretty fun. Can you guess which game on that screen was the fun one?
I didn't even see the games.
That was Hi-Fi Rush.
Oh.
Look at that. It's getting things ready for me.
Got it.
No, moths like the light.
That one likes the dark. It's hiding in between the crack.
So if you want to know more about this picture...
No,
Okay.
so,
Oh, look at that. It's a...
So that's when we went to
Greece.
Corinthia.
No, it's Corinthia.
Yeah,
Corinthia.
you say
Corinthia, Greece. Corinthia.
Corinthia.
Hold on. Keep it on me.
Yeah.
So it'll seem like I'm actually really smart. So, would you like to know a little bit more about Corinthia?
Sure.
Okay. Now, Corinthia is a regional unit of Greece. Did you know that? Would you like to know where it's located?
Oh, let me guess. Somewhere in Greece.
See, it's the dry geographics. Oh, but I can see more. That's too much. Anyway, so I feel like this is going to take a while. So we'll be right back after a message from our sponsors. We don't have any sponsors.
I know.
Alright, I believe that is everything finally installed. As you can see, we've got a
It's all blurry.
pretty... Yeah, I know. It's got a pretty cool MSI wallpaper that I'm going to get rid of immediately. And it says driver utility installer. It installed a whole bunch of random stuff that I'm not really keen to have on my PC. Tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be a whole bunch of installing stuff. Like Spotify and Sims and Steam and all that stuff.
I'm going to sleep.
If
Work in the morning.
If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends on the socials. You're approaching me, I'm scared. I don't know. Anyway, there's gonna be a lot to cut. It's gonna be a chore. That's something I need to reinstall too, is DaVinci. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Hopefully there will be games on here. And now that I have a better PC,
Might be single.
things will work perfectly.
I'm joking.
Alright, farewell,
Bye.
bye, and farewell.